A inverse is equal to this, and we find A matrix. We know that A inverse par inverse is equal to A. Now theorem number 4, A is equal to adjoint A inverse upon determinant of A inverse. Okay, we have right here adjoint interchange this number, we interchange this number. Okay, now sign change this number, -1/7 and 3/7. Okay, now we have determinant is 49/7. We take common 1/7 from here and reciprocal this number, and we have matrix take common 1/7. Okay, 2 -1 3 and 2. Now we cut this, only one left, so A is equal to B.